My name is Megan Poole. I'm a nurse practitioner in outpatient neurology with Northeast Georgia. I do work primarily out of our Dawsonville location, but I come to Gainesville as well 1 day a week. General neurology. I really see pretty much anything and everything. I really like migraines. It's a very common, I don't like migraines. I don't want anyone to have migraines, but it's a very common diagnosis that I treat. I struggle with them myself, so I think I have a little bit of empathy in that regard. But general neurology, I really see anything and everything. One good thing about our practice is we do have a lot of different specialists that can tackle a lot of different disorders, and I think that's one thing I love about our practice is we collaborate with each other. We have specialists for different things, movement disorders and things like that. So really anything and everything. Well, as a nurse practitioner, we have to be an RN and typically do bedside nursing before we advance our degree. Nursing is always something that interested me. I worked in inpatient neurosurgery for about 6 years before I went back to school. And nursing just always kind of drew me in. There's something about seeing people on some of the hardest days of their life, and in neurology, we see a lot of difficult and heavy diagnoses. And that's one thing that kind of drew me to neurology is I like that aspect of neurology and being a nurse practitioner and having that background to help not only treat symptoms that the patient's going through, but help their family navigate some of the difficulties that come with some of these disease processes. When I am not at work, I am with my family. I recently moved to Dawsonville from Athens, so I'm close to my mom and dad finally for the first time in years, and my sister and my nieces. I have a daughter, and I'm just with family when I'm not at work. We're outside playing with the dogs, playing ball, whatever that entails. I like to eat. I like sweets, so I like to bake too.